Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today we compare the GoPro Hero 7 with the GoPro Hero 6 with the firmware version 1.6. This is the second video of this series. I advise you watch also my previous one, where the Hero 6 had the firmware 2.01 installed. Also here it is possible to see that the stabilization on the GoPro Hero 7 is superior. Nevertheless, in the Hero 6 with the firmware version 1.6 you don't see sudden frame jumps as it was the case with the firmware 2.01. Strange is that when GoPro released this update for the Hero 6 they announced enhanced stabilization performance to look more natural. In my opinion they failed to achieve that. In bumpier situations the difference in the performance of both stabilization systems turns really visible. So in terms of stabilization it looks like that if you let your Hero 6 with the firmware version 1.6 you will be closer to the stabilization performance of the Hero 7. The gap is nevertheless big, with advantage for the Hero 7.